Open the door. I'm not on.
Open it.
I'm being kidnapped. I'm being kidnapped. Get out of the car. I'm being kidnapped. I'm being kidnapped. Look, I am being kidnapped. Look at this. You're recording this. I'm being kidnapped. I haven't done anything wrong. Get out of the car. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm being beaten.
I got him.
Oh, he beat me. Oh.
Stop resisting.
Oh, I ain't resisting nothing. Oh, 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 oh.
Got another cuff. Yeah, dude.
I can't breathe.
You can talk, you can breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, 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 I can't breathe. Oh, oh, oh.
I got him.
Hey, you recording this? Hey, don't pull my hair.
Good, stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Stop resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Oh!
Walk to the car.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
I'm
You
not
do what
even
we're telling you. You're resisting.
I'm not resisting. You just kidnapped me. A minute ago.
Check him before he gets in.
Check me. Hey, you gotta stop pulling my hair.
Shut up.
Hey, record this. It's being recorded.
Good.
Can't get kidnapped.
We're recording it too.
Yep, good. Good.
Turn around.
I'm being kidnapped. Oh, you hit me? You hit me?
Put your legs in.
I can't put my
Put
legs
your
in.
feet in. Yes,
We've
you
had
can.
this happen before. They had to take my shoes off. Now you gonna kick me? You gonna kick me?
Put your legs
You
in.
see how big my boots is?
It doesn't matter.
Put them in.
How?
Put them in.
We gonna do punch me?
Yeah, put them
Go
in.
ahead.
Put them in.
Sam, record this.
Who you talking to? There's nobody out here, sir.
Yeah, I know you scared it into the house.
Put them in.
Scared into the house.
Yeah.
How am I gonna put them in? You see how big my
Do your
boots
butt
is?
back.
Put it in,
Put
sir.
your fucking shoes in. It's not that hard. Just
It
put
is-
your feet in.
I'm on.
You're not under.
get it.
You're under arrest because you refuse to stop.
I didn't refuse to stop.
Yes, sir, you did. You.
I did not refuse to stop.
Yeah, you're-
For what? What did you stop me for anyway?
You're revoked.
What?
You don't have a driver's license, and you're driving without a
You don't
driver's
know who
license.
I am. You don't know
We
who
know,
I am.
yeah, we know you don't have a driver's
You don't
license.
know
Just
who I
take
am.
his boots off, throw him
I
in
don't
the
need
car.
the right to
That's the
travel.
reason.
I have a right to travel. There you go. Attaboy. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Now put them in.
Attaboy.
Put 'em in.
Shut my foot in the door.